Once upon a time. Recipe for happiness here. We're going to read it to you. A bag of smiles, 2 cups of sharing, 2 cups of positivity, a half a cup of good humor, 1 cup of self-esteem, 2 spoonfuls of simplicity, 1 dash of goodwill, 4 drops of easy going, and 1 packet of life. 1 packet of life loving. That's correct. Isn't that right? That is right. And we are here at Mr. Eddy's house, y'all. Over here at Mr. Eddy's house, and he's gonna show us what he's been doing here while he was resting.
I just put a ramp so I can get on my boat out here. I brought my boat in the yard, and it's too much trouble to climb a ladder anymore, so I put this ramp out there.
Y'all didn't see that. Hold on, I gotta get over here. Do that one more time. Let them see that one more time.
Do it one more time.
One more time. They said that's an old good song. Look at that.
It don't hang right. You have to step right up here and give it a little excitement.
There it is.
There it is. Then you can walk right out here and get a hold of these ropes. Put these boards here in place. You can walk right out here and you can get on the boat. You can see whatever you got to see. Now this is the top of my boat. We get up here so that we can go down that slide. I got a little bit of flotation device and I got wheels on it. And it sits right inside this slide, so you don't have to have no water pump to get to the bottom of it. You roll it when you come off of there.
All right.
Yeah. But this is what I'm working on right now.
He's working on this.
And this boat is made out of bathtubs.
Look, this is wanted.
Wanted woman, pretty as my motorcycle and love me like my dog. But I guess that's what everybody wants.
There we go. Uh-oh, let me be careful here.
You be careful when you're walking around. I'm used to not being careful.
But y'all can see that he's working on this boat here. It's a pretty neat thing here. And with the slide in the front. We got to give you a view of the slide. We're going to come around here and give you a view of the slide. You couldn't see it from where we was at.
Man, I like this.
And let's see. Oh, there's the slide. There's the slide. There it is. Can you imagine now? Look, out on the river, you can slide right down the front of it. So y'all don't know nothing about the river. We got rivers around here in Pensacola. Did y'all know that? In this area, Florida's an aquifer. A whole state with water running underneath it and on top. We got water everywhere.
This here's my little flotation device. It's got wheels on it. And that right there says right inside the slide.
Yeah.
All you gotta do is hang on.
I told him, I said, can you imagine this thing right here on the river?
Oh,
and
yeah.
you can slide right down into Blackwater River on that
right
thing.
in the alligator's mouth.
Right.
Boom. All you gotta do is open my mouth. You land right in there and get a bite, baby.
Woo.
And this here is my motto here. It says, happy-go-lucky. If you're ugly, I'm busy. Stay happy. You know, most people really don't know about staying happy. I think you're supposed to be happy. Now, when I tell you to be happy, I mean, I don't care who you piss off. Be happy.
That's right.
Yeah, that's what I got to say about that.
That's right. That's right. This is the other sign y'all saw earlier. Wanted woman. Pretty as a motorcycle. Love me like my dog. Everybody wants that. Everybody wants that. Everybody wants it.
See my little picture up here in the back?
All you need is love. That's what we heard that on a song one time.
I heard my little happy face up there with growing beard. And yeah, everybody got to be happy.
See that? A little peace sign in the middle.
Oh, you better quit.
I saw it. See, some people don't know how to see stuff like that, but you got to look.
Rave on, cabbage, you got the head. Yeah. And all of this entire boat right here, it took 3.5 years to build it, but I got less than $20 in the entire thing. I picked all of this up out of the scrap. This trailer they scrapped, I just put it all back together and gave it a little extra attention, and now I think I got something. Well, I don't know what I got, but you know,
And
I
look,
got what ain't nobody else got.
it's even got a sticker.
Oh, it's legal. Yeah.
Good till 2/22.
Yes, sir.
That's right. Make sure.
I got to get me a motor set up for it because my motor burned up when my house burnt down.
Well,
But,
so
you know,
if any of y'all have a motor that Mr. Eddie could use, get in contact with us. Like and subscribe to the channel. Share it with your friends. And get in touch with us if you got a motor you can bless us with. And we sure would appreciate it.
now you see he's trying to make me go to work. I just got it where I didn't have to. That ain't right.
Because somebody out there, one of y'all got a motor we can use. And
Now,
we'll put it in the next video.
Now here's the way life really is. You have to, these are the rules you have to abide by. It says work like you don't need the money. It don't make a damn who you are, you gotta work. So just work like you don't need the money. And then it said dance like nobody watching. If you're trying to please somebody else while you're dancing, you need to quit anyway. And then it said love like you never been hurt. Now that's something you have to work on for yourself. I can't help you with that. I know it's something that needs to be done, but I hadn't figured out how to do it yet, so I can't tell you how to do it. I'm working on it. I ain't figured out how to do it.
And he's beautiful. Look at him. That's the rare short-billed crocodile. Right?
Short-billed crocodile.
Yeah. You'd rather him get a hold to you than a real one, I'll tell you.
You know, seeing as how we're right here at the 4th of July, let's go in the house where it's a little bit cooler and I'll tell you about the 4th of July.
All right.
I like the 4th of July. Back up, hound dog. Come on in and push that door too.
Oh, he's going out.
He's gone. He don't want to be in here. That's all good.
All right, we'll see you later.
Yeah, he knows where he's going.
We'll see you later. He says, all right.
That's all right. He'll be all right. Well, you know, the truth is I watched a lot of things in life and I see other people forget what they was looking at, but I hadn't gotten there yet. But I'll tell you what I'm going to do. I'm going to tell you about my flag. Yeah, it's a real important thing. Most people don't want to talk about it. Very few of them want to stand up to it. None of them want to admit it.
Yeah.
But you don't burn my flag. To touch a mailbox is a federal offense. To burn my flag, there's no defense. To hurt all Americans is fine. To hurt one, it's a crime. We can destroy the ozone to kill everyone's future, but to own a junk car makes you a loser. There's a few little things I just flat don't understand. Every winter it gets cold and you'll find people living in ditches and alleys and some stay in drain pipes, you know. Yet they'll run people out of houses that are condemned. It don't matter if they're having a good time or a bad. That's the way society's set up. Sometimes it makes me kind of mad. I guess it's because they just flat don't understand. You know, God made this world and he proved nobody could please everybody. He proved that he couldn't please everybody, and that's why they put him on the cross. And when they put him up there, he didn't have any money. He didn't try to be boss. He just simply spoke the truth and couldn't be bought. There's a few little things I just flat don't understand. You know, God put down that wacky weed, and some people say that's what they need. Some people say it's the worst drug in the world, but then we make alcohol and advertise it with heroes, as if that's what we think our children ought to be. There's a few little things I just flat don't understand. You know, Columbus hit the ocean and discovered a place called America, and ever since that day, people have fought and died to get here. We didn't like our taxes, so we